Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Khatijah binti Abrahman. So today I will introduce you to Cimb Group. Cimb is one of Southeast Asia's leading universal banking groups. Headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, it offers a wide range of financial services including retail, corporate, investment and Islamic banking. The bank has grown rapidly since its establishment in 2003 through strategic expansion, making it one of the largest financial institutions in Malaysia. It serves millions of customers across the Asian region, including countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand. As a part of its diverse offering, Cimb provides two financing products. The first is the conventional home loan, which offers financing with either fixed or floating interest rate. The second is the Home Financing I, a Sharia-compliant product based on profit-sharing principle designed for customers seeking Islamic financial solution. The objective of this report is to compare these two home financing options by evaluating their interest rate, fees, and benefit. This analysis aims to help potential home buyers make informed decisions based on their financial needs, preference, and value.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika binti Ahmad. I want to present about the methodology of housing loan. Two of the most common financing options are housing loan and home financing Islamic. While these two terms may seem interchangeable, they have a distinct difference in terms of methodology and product description. The methodology behind housing loan typically involves the following steps. First, application. The borrower submit a loan application including personal and financial information. Secondly, evaluation. The financial institution evaluate the borrower creditworthiness, income and property value. Thirdly, approval. If approved, the borrower receive a loan amount, interest rate and repayment term. Fourth, disbursement. The loan amount is disbursed and the borrower begins repaying the loan in monthly installment. Five, loan amount. The loan amount varies based on the property value and the borrower creditworthiness. Six, interest rate. Housing loan typically have a fixed and variable interest rate. Lastly is repayment term. The repayment term can range from 5 to 30 years depending of the borrower. Criteria for selecting the financial product. First, loan tenure. Bank loan tenure are maxed out at 30 years and sometimes at 35 years or when the borrower reach 60 years of age, whichever is lesser. This loan depends on the age of the borrower. In general, longer loan tenure result in lower monthly loan repayment that eventually result in higher total interest cost. Shorter loan tenure usually mean a lower interest in total but a higher monthly repayment. Loan tenure have three types such as term loan, fully flexible loan and semi-flexible loan. Secondly is interest rates, fixed versus variable. Interest rates are calculated with respect to how much it costs the bank loan to the borrower. Additionally, the risk of borrower defaulting on their loans and the rate of inflation over the loan tenure. This is one of the interest rate commonly used for home loan, fixed rate loan and variable rate loans. Thirdly is loan margin. Margin of finance. This is the percentage of the property value that the bank is willing to finance. Typically, Malaysian banks offer up to 90% financing for first-time home buyer. A lower loan margin means you need a larger down payment. This scheme like Scheme Rumah Pertamaku or other government initiative that might offer higher loan margin or reduced down payment option. Four is fees and charge. Be aware of all associated fees including loan processing fees, legal fees, valuation fees, stamp duty fees and other miscellaneous charges. Some bank will inform you that all the charges mentioned will be recorded and will calculate this cost into your loan amount. Five is Islamic financing. Islamic financing option, also known as takaful-based loan, adhere to Sharia principle and have different structure such as Bai Batman, Ajil, and Musyarakah Mutanakisah. Choose the structure that suits you the best after understanding the principle. Next is parameter for comparison. First is interest rate versus profit rate. Housing loan, traditional housing loan are typically tied to interest rate, either fixed or variable, which are often pitched to a base rate or base lending rate. Fixed rate provides suitable monthly payment but may cost more while variable rates fluctuated based on market condition, potentially leading to higher or lower prepayment or payment over time. Home financing Islamic Sharia comprehensive financing utilize profit rate based on concept like murabaha or musyarakah mustanakisah. This rate, fixed or variable, represent the bank profit on the transaction. Secondly is fees and charge. Conventional loan include costs like processing fees, stamp duty, legal fees, valuation fees, and disbursement fees, which can add up significantly. Home financing Islamic similar fees may apply but structured differently. For instance, instead of interest, ta'wid compensation for late payment may be imposed. It is essential to carefully examine the fee schedule associated with each product to understand the cost involved. Thirdly is benefit. Housing loan conventionally loan often come with feature like loan refinancing option, withdrawal facility, and option to make partial repayments. Home financing Islamic Sharia compliant financing may also offer similar benefit but structured to follow Sharia principle. For example, extra contribution may go toward the principal instead of a withdrawal facility. Compare product to find what suit your financial need. For is term. Both housing loan and home financing Islamic, the term generally refer to the loan nature, repayment period, loan amount, and other conditions outlined in the loan agreement. This term will be tailored based on your eligibility and the value of the property. Carefully consider the loan nature and how it affects your monthly repayment and the total amount paid over the life of the loan. Aim for the balance between management monthly payment and minimize interest profit charge. Type of product. Cimb Bank, one of the leading banks in Malaysia, has introduced a conventional housing loan that combines the best of both world tradition and innovation. First is the Home Flexi Smart conventional loan. Housing loan offer customer the security of a conventional loan with the flexibility and convenience of modern technology. Banks may require a guarantor and allow flexible prepayment and withdrawals with a fee for each withdrawal. The standardized base rate is based on the overnight policy rate (OPR) set by Bank Negara Malaysia. Therefore, if the OPR change, monthly installment and repayment amounts may vary. They encourage to take up an MRTA or MLTA to protect family from losing the property due to unforeseen circumstances. Next is Cimb Home Flexi Smart. Islamic is a Sharia compliant financing facility for purchasing residential properties. The facility is based on the Sharia concept of commodity murabaha. Unlike conventional mortgage that involve interest charges, Islamic banking product like Home Flexi Smart Islamic employ principle based on Islamic law or Sharia. This means engage in transactions that are free from riba, interest, or other prohibited activities. Unlike some complex financial products, Sharia compliant financing typically has a transparent pricing structure, making it easier to understand your commitment. The foundation of the facility is adherence to Sharia principle. The bank will grant a rebate IBRA in the following circumstances. There is a difference of the profit portion calculated on the basis of the contracted profit rate and effective profit rate. Next is if you make a partial settlement of the facility. All home loan borrowers are encouraged to take MRTT to protect the family loan from losing property due to unexpected circumstances.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Marais. Today I will explain the product description of Cimb. There is two product of home Cimb. First is Home Flexi Smart Conventional, and second is Home Flexi Smart iSharia. For the first one, a Home Flexi Smart Conventional is offers a flexible home loan with solutions with variable interest rates and empowering us to manage our finance effectively, with the option to us to make prepayment or withdraw the funds. Uh, so that we can optimize our interest saving. This versatile loan can be utilized to finance both complete and under constructions residential properties. This provides us with the opportunity to invest in our dream homes, whether it's ready or it's still development. All right. For the second one is Home Flexi Smart Eye Sharia. Home Flexi Smart Eye Sharia. It's offer a valuable alternative for home buyers that seeking to finance our home purchases in a manner that aligns with their values. Many of available Islamic home financing products are designed to be Sharia compliant, utilizing concepts such as tawarruk or commodity murabahah. These options can provide us a supportive framework for individuals that looking to invest in their futures while adhering to Islamic principles. All right, so next is the comparison and analysis interest rates of CIMB conventional housing loan and CIMB Islamic housing loan. The CIMB conventional housing loan is specifically designed to cater to the diverse needs of home buyers. This term loan features uh, a variable interest rate that is linked to the bank base rates that allowing borrowers to take advantage of potentially lower initial repayments. Whether we are looking to purchase a new or a constructor home or a finance a property that is still under development, the home loan provide the flexible and support our needs. Second one, the interest of CIMB conventional housing loan ni start from 2.05% until 2.45%. So the third one is the borrower should pay the interest if we choose CIMB conventional housing loan. And second one, CIMB Islamic housing loan. There is three options that CIMB offer Islamic home financing product. The first one is home financing that the rate is linked to the Islamic based rate. Then that customer can finance up to 95% of the property value with a minimum tenure is just 5 years. The second one is flexi home financing that offer attractive financing margin of up to 95% plus an extra 5%. And the third one is home flexi smart that offer us to make prepayment on our financing to reduce the overall financing tenure. And the second one is CIMB housing Islamic housing loan offers the competitive profit rates that begins at an attractive 4.35% per annum. And the last one is the borrower doesn't need to pay the interest. Due to the bank is buying our property from the seller and selling it to the buyer to make a profit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurulada binti Muhammad Idris. I will present my part, which is comparison and analysis in fees and benefit. It is important to understand that they operate under different principles in fees. In upfront fees, we can compare between CIMB housing loan and CIMB financing I. Processing fee in housing loan are often used with in promotion, but for CIMB housing financing I may apply and check specific product. For valuation fees, CIMB housing loan can apply to both same as CIMB housing financial I, but it's like variation possible. Legal fees for CIMB housing loan, it based on loan amount, standard scale, and for the housing financial I may have additional documentation fee for the Sharia compliance. With both of the loan applies stamp removed to ongoing fee. As we can see in the table, the late payment charges in the CIMB housing loan have additional interest on overdue amount, and for the CIMB housing financial I, they have top with which is a one-time compensation to avoid compounding. For the early settlement charges, CIMB housing loan may apply within lock-in period, and CIMB housing financial I also may apply, but the calculation different for Sharia complaints. For other fees, the CIMB housing loan and CIMB housing financial I are similar. Let's move on to the benefit. When choosing between a CIMB housing loan and CIMB housing financial there is essential to the weight the benefit of each product. The rate of interest or profit in the CIMB housing loan are fixed and variable hybrid. But for the CIMB housing financial the profit rate are based on the pre-agree or profit sharing. For the ethical consideration, the CIMB housing loan may not align with the Sharia principle, and of course, for the housing CIMB, sorry, for the CIMB housing financial follow to the Sharia principle and promoting ethical financing. Next, payment predictability for the housing for the CIMB housing loan, variable rate can fluctuate, and the CIMB housing financial profit rate are often pre-agree and offering more predictable
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shafika binti Maisa. Right now, I will continue to present the comparison of terms and conditions for both products, CIMB Housing Loan and CIMB Housing Financing I. Based on the table given, both products shares the similar features which are loan amount, credit assessment, repayment period, and the eligibility criteria. Let's look at for the first one, which is loan amount. Both product has the minimum loan amount of 50,000 for residential properties. Next, we look for the credit assessment. Both product also required to have a credit assessment for the approval of submission of loan. Next, for the features of repayment period. Under repayment period, period ranging from minimum 5 years to maximum 35 years or until the borrower reaches 70 years of age, whichever is earlier. Lastly, we move to the eligibility criteria for the application of housing loan. The first one, they need to be a Malaysian citizens or permanent residents, and non-Malaysian also can apply for the housing loan. Next, the age must be 18 and above and must have proof of income and satisfactory credit history. Okay, let's proceed to the discussion of the best product that's suited for the each type of consumers and the final recommendation for each type of consumers. The first one is for the high income consumers. The discussion is regarding the which product offers the best benefit and terms. For the high income consumers, which they should consider CIMB Home Finance CI due to its ethical and transparent structure, which align with Sharia principles, avoiding interest which is riba and also compounding. This makes it an ideal choice for socially conscious individuals. Additionally, the option of receiving rebates, which is IBRA, for early loan settlements helps to reduce overall costs, which can be beneficially for high-income individuals who may pay off their loans and ahead of the schedule. The product also offers cost predictability with fixed profit rates, ensuring stable payments and aiding a long-term financial planning. Furthermore, it includes takaful Islamic insurance for added security and peace of mind while providing financing up to 95% covering not only the property but also related legal and valuation fees. Therefore, the final recommendation for the high income consumers is CIMB Home Financing I. The next one, discussion regarding the student or low income consumers, which product has the lowest fees and interest rate. For the students and low-income consumers, they also should choose CIMB Home Financing I because it offers a financially manageable and ethical home financing solution. With no compounding charges, late payment fees are limited to actual costs, unlike the conventional loans where interest can compound, making it more affordable in the long term. The predictable profit rates provide stability in monthly payments, which is crucial for those with limited or fixed income. Additionally, the option to receive rebates, which is IBRA for early payments, help them to reduce the overall cost of the financing, a feature not available with conventional home loan. Therefore, these factors make CIMB Home Financing I is a better choice for students and low-income consumers looking for affordability, transparency, and financial protection. Lastly, the discussion regarding the consumers of frequent travelers, which product offers the best travel-related benefits. Frequent travelers might find that neither CIMB Housing Loan and CIMB Home Financing I directly address their travel needs, as neither product offers travel-related benefits like loyalty points or discount. However, if they prioritize financial flexibility and stability, CIMB Home Financing I could still be a better option due to its predictable cost pre-agreed profit rates and no compounding late payment charges, which help manage fluctuating expenses that may arise due to travel. Additionally, the Sharia-compliant nature of home finance I appeals to those seeking ethical financial solution, which rebates offer flexibility for paying off the loan faster during periods of reduced travel expenses. The built-in takaful coverage also provides peace of mind, offering protection in case of unforeseen events during extended travels. Despite not offering direct travel packs, these features may still align better with financial needs and lifestyle of frequent travelers.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izati binti Ismadi. For the implication part, first, ethical and religious considerations. Implication for Muslims or individuals who prefer to avoid interest-based financial product, choosing Islamic finance products such as home financing I offer peace of mind that their financial dealing comply with their faith. In the other hand, conventional loans like the housing loan may not be suitable for these individuals, as they involve interest payment that go against the principle of Sharia. Implication for non-Muslim consumer for those who are not concerned with Sharia compliance. The housing loan might be more appealing due to its familiarity and the long-standing availability of conventional financial products. However, they may still find home financing I attractive if they are seeking stability and predictability in their financing without the ethical concern or interest-based lending. Second, financial structure and cost implication. Implication, consumer who value predictable repayment without the risk of increased cost due to fluctuating interest rates might prefer home financing I, especially if they select a fixed profit rate. Thirdly, legal and regulatory aspect. Implication, for consumer, home financing I may have more specific terms and conditions, particularly in terms of asset-backed agreement, which might be more complex than conventional loan. Accessibility and product availability. The implication, while housing loans are standard offering in most banks and lending institutions, home financing I may require more effort to understand and may have some specific eligibility criteria. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izati binti Ismadi. So, my part is to explain about conclusion. In conclusion, the key findings from the comparison between CIMB Berhad housing loan and home financing are both products cater to different financial needs and preference. Housing loans charge interest, offering flexibility with fixed or variable rates, but with the possibility of fluctuating repayment, making them suitable for those comfortable with conventional financing. In contrast, home financing I follow a Sharia compliant profit model with predictable repayment and no interest, ideal for those seeking ethical financial solutions. Both products provide financing up to 90% to 95% of the property value with tenures of 5 to 35 years, but housing loans offer more flexibility for top-ups and refinancing, while home financing I focus on stability and clarity.